post on the Reddit in your mobile of iPhone and the Android. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can post in your Reddit mobile. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Reddit application. Now once you are in here, in the bottom there is the option of the plus icon. You have to simply click on the create. Now once you are in here, you have to add the title of your post that you want to add, and the next option is of the body text. Now this option is the optional if you want to add or the note, and the next option is of the URL if you want to add any URL in your video, and if don't, it's depend on you. And if you want to add anything from your gallery, you just have to simply click on it and you just have to click on the next, and from here you can edit this picture or the video that you adding in your post from by adding the text, draw, filters, crop, and you can also save it. And you just have to click on the add, and here is the body text. You can also add it, and after that from here you can post can only include one attachment. Here you can also add the attachment if you want to add, and after that you just have to click on the next, and here you have to select the community, that in which community you want to add your post. And after that, once you select it, you just have to click on the post and you are able to post in your Reddit on your mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.